Palagay sa pwede.
Ano oras na?
Ano, kasi, dito dapat kasamahin na ako. Isang na ako daw na ako. Wala pa naman yung pong ko sa pwede. Para sa pwede.
Kalimutan ko, mag-try ko pala.
Bago pa rin? O comfort kasi di bago. Alam niya yung mga advantage. Ngayon pa din. Kaya yung itsura yan yun, talaga di magpapatalo yun. Sila din. Ganun siya. Kailangan mo na yung itsura. Nagdaan na ka mag-aroon. Ay, ibang-iba ka na.
Mari ba yan?
Yung Cardi Boy,
Ano klase party yan?
kamay kami nagkain.
Nanalo na.
Hindi lang. That's really good.
Madlak lang lang bahay. Kababatan sila. Kababatan din sila si Saka. Kapilitin na si Den. Kanya na.
Kain pa yung ibang sige. makontrol eh.
Mag-all,
Oo.
kasi kasag lang ito sa'yo.
Tatry yun na naman. Pagkatalo. Wala na, wala na Pilipinas sa Sapa. Okay na. Depende ko yan. Kahit galing sa Manila, nasa 1,000 ako.
Inom sila ulit.
Lester na mag-drive ako yan.
Ingat mo, te. Oh, bago te, ingat mo. Sige sa pagkasunod. Bye-bye. Nabuang na titintay.
Bakit nata sila nag-aaspeak na sila ng ano? Nag-happy na sila. Ay, nasa Dylan? Alis na rin. Dalawa talaga. Non-stop naglaro eh. Hindi pa ako naglaro.
We're down one. You have three shots to get that shit, bro. 3-1. Jalen Brown wide open three. Jalen Brown mid range. Nate Stretcher wide open three. 3-1. I mean, nobody was betting on 3. That's a ridiculous comeback. Now you're gonna lose New York. Well, I don't want to lose like how you guys feel like 32. I don't want to lose like that. My cousins.
Kasi ba rin dapat na
Nagutom bigla ako pero alis na.
Oh, in Denver? No, keep still. Keep still. Who'll be opening? You know Kyle and Gino? What's the other name? Alex. Kyle, the short one. Yeah. They we play Saturday morning. They're gonna play. I don't know. Yeah, for me, bro. They actually got a good team. Walking, bro. Yeah, I seen it. The Lutzelo. That's their team. You won this year? Yeah. Put me on the team. Yes, sir. I got you, bro. On the team. I got you, bro. Mabawi ka eh. Kaya mo yung last ano? Bawi sana ako lang. Sa last time. Bobby. Well, yeah, you go Saturday morning, but either 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Indoors, outdoors. If it's nighttime, we're outdoors waiting. If it's going outside, we just indoors. let me know. Yeah, you going a lot of way, bro. So on weekends, do whatever you want.
Monday, Tuesday, I fast.
Like straight no food.
Yeah.
And then Wednesday to Sunday we
But I don't eat too much fucking food. But I work out every day.
so you do 48-hour fasting? What you do right now? I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know.
I work at a coil. You don't want hospital?
Yeah. Man, I don't know how you do it while working, bro.
I drink a lot of water, son. A lot of water. I drink like 8 water bottles a day.
Yeah. Best friend mo ba? Wala yung best friend mo. Yung best friend mo. Yung best friend. Wala ka.
Bayad niya.
Yeah, I'm at 209 right now. I was at like 225 too. Stopped down to 209. Just from working.
Yeah,
If I want to go to 290, 180, bro, that would be perfect weight for me.
Is it 190 or 290 or 180?
190, 180, that would be
Yeah,
perfect
that's what I'm
for
trying to
me.
do. So I weighed myself today, I'm at 215.
215. Oh, how tall are you?
5'11".
You're only about the same height.
So I'm trying to get I worked out today, so I eat that today.
What you do? Like, you run a lot?
I play, yeah, I do run a lot. I run indoor, outdoor, but I play basketball in the morning. Then I help my friend move out, so it was a lot of heavy lifting. So tomorrow I'm fasting. Yeah, I'm trying to, by the end of May, I'm trying to be 200. I'm trying to be 200 then. In June, I'm trying to get to the 190.
What, did you, you have high cholesterol or anything like that, or you just wanted to lose weight?
Oh no, I'm just fucked up.
What's that? Oh, you just got me back. Damn.
White guy.
Damn. Yeah. My shit is fucking, my bad cholesterol is fucking, it's a little fucking low. That's why, everybody comes from big.
This is our
Yeah, let's see.
video of them.
Yeah.
But my family has a new one, so no, I have no more videos anymore, bro. Bro, I have no more.
You want the car fast, bro?
I lost everything, bro. I was so mad, bro. I had so mad, bro. My Snapchat just got deleted. Somebody reported
you. Probably heard.
Nah, we had to put a block.
Alex, you know they left you, right? Nakakalimutan si Alex. Alam ko umuwi na sila Jaya dyan. Sabi ko, umalis na yata natin. Umalis na sila. Oh shit, sabi niya. Yung tumayo, sabi ko. Dalawa si coach nila. Isip na kasama ni JR to. Alam ko.
Yeah, she like did me dirty. I lost her weight.
Ay, binigyan na sa kanila. Oh, yun, nakita ko. Nakita ko yun. So they said that we got more, they're coming back for more for you. Oo nga, kasi may binigay ako sa kanila. So sabay sila lumabas na.
We had to
Ano
do
naman
a block.
sinasabi niya?
No,
They are parang
I can't get it back. I'm trying. You want? I tried getting all my stuff back. We be posting some crazy shit over there.
What
No, I think my friend in our group chat just got barred and reported me. I ain't getting it.
Hello, man. It's your neighbor.
Let me know you have people over. Let me know.
We were there last night.
I don't really know who it is.
I know, yeah.
Don't let Kristen know that either. She doesn't go anywhere. Alright?
That's
I know. They. Bye, Alex.
Bye, Alex.
Sino na ano ng break? No.
Yeah, that was definitely good.
Alright, guys.
Good, bro.
Team United na. Ano yun eh?
That was definitely good.
I'm mad about all them. They got their so many videos.
They're all gone. All my videos are gone. I was so mad. I took so many videos.
Tagal ko na nag-stop.
Ay,
Baka hapon na.
I was so mad. I took so many videos.
Tagal ko na nag-stop.
Ay,
Baka hapon na.
Me, JR, and Kenny were in a different company together too. So there, Kenny, I think Kenny got fired. He supposed to went to this job that we're on right now, and they're like, "Yo, you guys wanna hop in? It's fucking meeting, bro. It's hard to get in type shit." And we, I think, how much I think?
But y'all climb. I'm scared of heights. I'm not scared of heights, but I think you'll go through that. But y'all do have video on your Facebook. That's too high. Y'all wear a hard.
I told him he fucked up. Yeah. But then, I don't know how it works with the baby moms and with the kids and shit. They're not married. But if she asks for like fucking custody and
Ayun sino yung mga gamit
so
dyan?
he might be fucked.
Yeah. So I think she gonna stay. I think she gonna stay. Because I think my friend said she don't get along with her mom. She doesn't get along with her mom. Yeah. I think she gonna stay with her.
And you know how he got brought up? With his sister.
Oh, the sister?
His sister told Kenny, and the sister stayed at Kenny's house because the sister's baby dad or new boyfriend was beating her up. That's a fucked up situation, but yeah, you know, she would get beat up. So Kenny was like, I feel bad, tell her to stay in. And they got into an argument, and the sister told Kenny, he's got a good heart, man. He got fucked hard, bro. I mean, that's what I said, bro. Everything happens for a reason, bro. Like, you know, that's the way of you finding out. That's crazy, bro. So,
It's hard to get in there.
you gotta have it.
You don't be scared doing it. What do you change?
Like the whole
Wires?
antennas.
What do you want to do Friday?
Well, if there's open, I'll let you know. But, wow, no way. I feel bad.
Y'all be mad as hell not being on the response.
You know the dude?
That's work time.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, see, no, bro.
She told me,
Is she from Overbrook? Yeah.
but I think I graduated.
Also, she's young now. You know what's crazy? She would call Kenny every day. Like, while we're working.
Ang limit ko lang, pag German ko,
I think I was actually 24.
Walang limit.
Yeah, I was out of high school. By the
$100.
time I was in the first
Pusoy,
grade, I was out of high
pusoy,
school.
$100 pusoy.
Walang limit, boy.
Pusoy, 100.
Okay.
Yung tip mo, 100. So, kung ako 300,
I was weird then.
Yeah. 100 na lang.
Tapos ko na itong mga
I wouldn't do that probably. I know she was saying she was crazy.
Basta ang
Diyan sa tapo lahat. Ulit yung mga bata.
Oo, alam ko
No, I'm gonna
She don't like it. Oh, she didn't.
Alin?
magkano installment?
$3 mo na, $3 mo.
Magkano?
Itong
$2.
chip.
Down payment yung putang na. Minimum like $10.
I'm trying to hit up this one.
Yeah, minimum.
She
Maximum
don't like further
100.
than.
Minimum 10. Minimum 10. Grabe ito, boy! Sabi ko na, win big or lose big, bro? Minimum $10, maximum. Okay, dahil sa
Minimum.
minimum $5.
Ah, ganun mo na lang. Ganun mo na para
Wala akong sila, yun mo.
Think of just one being granted so far.
Ibigay mo yung
So it was launched in December, and it's only been 4 months and they approved one. And with these things, it takes a lot of time to set systems up. And it's good that it took 4 months because
And that maybe Holy man. Bro, that's a messy situation, bro. She's best friends with her brother. Yeah, her brother. Her brother probably told her too. Yeah, sister.
games na ba?
Nagiging dyan ka. Ay! Ang galing! Magaling! Oh my God! Yo, why did they crush that shit? Ayan. Ano yung ginawa mo?
Ha? Ilan na ito?
Hindi alas eh? Oo.
20, pero pusoy, 40.
Yeah, yeah.
Less pusoy daw. 100 yung ano nito eh. 100 yung maximum niya. Anything in between pwede. Depende, gan. Basta pwede ka magkakag-50. Kasi pusoy eh, double eh. 100 lang.
Dang.
Ba't yung tuwid talaga?
Tingnan natin kung may swerte ngayon.
Ba't yung tuwid
Wala
talaga?
na si Bobby eh. Hindi yung pananood. Lalo, parang yung balik na nila yung parang yung na ano, yung puti. Yung balik niya, first
Hindi.
umuwi na.
Wala ganun.
Wala nga, okay na. Wala nga po yung game niya.
Ano na, Brad?
All that eh. 50. Hey! Eh, mga kabulang raptors, oy. Ganyan mo nga, hindi mo ma-express.
Kaya,
Yun nga.
ganito eh. Pagkahan naman naman namin din mo eh.
Bubo, diretso nga sana sa akin yung bill mo, bubo po. Bill nga, para i-bill mo sa akin.
Yan ako.
Oh, i-bill mo sa akin.
Hindi ko matatransfer sa amin.
So,
Hindi ko matransfer. Ganito eh. Hindi may kitira sa amin. Problema ba yun?
oh!
Black Rose.
Success eh. Wala akong bed mo kasi. Kaya mo lang ng 50. Oh, meron ka ako ng... Cancel ka ulit yun ng 50. Meron ka ako pinahirapan mo buhay. Iba yun sa kanya. Grabe na. Rent. Meron naman pala eh. Meron ka pa. Game. Yung tambay mo rin ha?
Are you kidding me?
No, I won't. Or you give me A-list
Ay, nakalaya na siya. Yeah, daddy.
Busin ka natin doon. Pero busin ka natin doon.
Wala kasi vlog ka doon.
Bakit ako gusto rin namin lahat? Tripod. Game. Dito, ball, 3 for each. 3 for each. Game. Clover beach. Nice. Clover. May pair pa, may pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pair. Anong pair yan? Black pair? Black pair tayo? Black pair ba? How much? $10? Black pair? Black pair tayo, pre? Sige lang. Dalawa din. Sige lang, walang
Eh, 5, ayun.
$5.
5. Ayun na, 20.
Dalan lang, black pair yan ha. Game. So, 6 dice ha.
Ayun na, black pen ko ha.
Big ballers, si Bobby! Dinatabla ba? Meron black pair. Pwede na sa sa lahat. Sa lahat na ito. Kaya kami na. Kasi para hindi makita mo na. Bagal ako dito po ito. Anong lock mo boy lahat? May lock ka? Anong lock? Lock. Like quad, straight quad. Wala tayong rule yan. Wala kayong lock dito boy? All lock. Wala daw lock sir. Wala, hindi natin nagawa. Next game. Kung mag-lock, pusoy kayo lahat. Diretso. Hindi. Depende niya sa... Good night na pare, lock ako. Pusoy ka pare. Hindi ka pusoy or lock.
Hindi na rin kami pera.
So, gusto nyo lock? Hindi ba, like, ngayon, kung may royal or lock, kasi lahat, next.
Bawa?
Yes. Pwede ba? Pakita nga.
Kasi ito, this is a good deal.
Bakit eh?
Ito. Ano lang to eh. I think this is only.
Sabi mo yan. Kasi hindi ko lang makakala ito maglaro eh. Wait. Kasi pwede naman yung baga niya. You know what I mean?
Hindi na yung ano ko. Kaya nag-share ko.
Kupay lang ako sa akin. Sabi! Robot! Ang maganda ko namin lahat. Pwede ka mag-quiz boy! Basic dito, di ba? Pwede tabla. Pwede niya makipag-usap tabla.
Oh, tabla.
Dahil hindi ako kakatigan. Pat. Fair.
Hindi natin napag-usapan na yun.
Mamaya na.
Next time, pre, kung lang, talo na lahat.
Kaya, yun ang sabi niya kanina.
Luis.
Ang gusto niya kanina. Late ang gusto.
Bro, come on, man.
Wala, hindi pwede.
Ready na ba? Ready, go. Ha? Ulo. Sige ka na. Hindi, ako mag-carry. Ako No, ako mag-desisyon. Hindi ako mag-carry. Ako mag-carry.
Hindi naman nila pwedeng umuwi eh.
Yeah. Don't say you're not gonna quit. No, I'm not gonna quit. Parang ano kami dito sa pagkano. Kung yan ang parang okay. Kasi ako ang paglalakot all the way ka na.
Okay na.
Yeah.
Last 2 birds ka. Wala ka sumbraan nila. Wala ulo. Talo yan.
Patay ka, boy. Patay ka. Royal ako. Patalo ko sa isa na kayo. Ay, royal. Gago mo. May royal. That's why. Kung may rules pa natin.
Lock na eh.
Gusto nyo yung lahat.
Hindi, kung next game yun.
Oo, kaya nga.
Kung may lock.
Saber boy.
Kaya nga, sabi niya kasi nakita niyo yung
Boy,
barangay.
kailan mo? Tayo. Tayo.
Uwi na ako.
Inyo, bike kayo. Uwi na ako.
Paki na ba?
Utang eh.
Utang mo. No, sabi mo pag lahat, putangin na royal ako, putang mo sila kayo lahat. Pasok na ako sa pera. Pwede kayo mag-bill.
That's why I'm saying. Wala din yung
Pangapawin ako sa private topic.
50 at ikapi. Kanino ka?
Kaka-urgent ako sir.
Yan. First round.
Thank you,
Teka,
guys.
ako na baksak na